let's begin by selecting base for our Lippan art. We can consider MDF as a base, we can consider wood as a base, we can also take plywood as our base. If you are taking MDF as our base, the thickness should at least be 6 mm so that it can be firm as a base. For preparing base for our Lippan art, we will be using wall putty. This is Birla white cement wall putty. Instead of wall putty, you can also use ceramic powder or clay powder. Some water, white acrylic color and white glue. This is Fevicol MR white glue. Let's take some wall putty, add Fevicol to it, some white acrylic color, some water. Don't make it too thin. You can take Fevicol and wall putty in almost equal ratio. Now let's apply it over our base. You can use a brush also to apply it. Let it dry thoroughly. Now we will prepare the cone for Lippan art. Take putty, add Fevicol to it. The ratio of putty and Fevicol should be same. Some white color. If you want to make a colored cone, you can add any other acrylic color also. Mix it properly. As we want to make cone, so we will not add too much water. This step is completely optional, but I find it very useful to avoid any lump and for having a free flowing cone. I like to pass my cone mixture through a sieve. Now my cone mix is ready. Now let's prepare cone. Take soft plastic, not very thin, but it should be soft one, and cut out a square. Take out a square piece and from the middle of it like this, start rolling it like this. Put one finger here. Hold it like this and just keep rolling it. Keep this firm, your thumb here on the top firm, and keep rolling it like this. And now we will secure this edge with sellotape, this open edge first. Let's pour the mix in the cone. Push it down. Take out all this extra from the top. You can seal it with sellotape or rubber band. We will make dough by using wall putty and some water. Take wall putty and slowly add water to it and make dough. Be slow without adding water because it will start sticking very quickly. By mistake you add more water, then add some more putty to make it even. Once it's binded together, wash your hands and knead it. With your clean hands, just roll it a little and make it soft. Store it in wet cloth and you can work with it for next 3 to 4 hours. Let's do a small demonstration using these steps. In next video, we will be doing Lippan art on MDF box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let us know in comments.